Hello everyone, welcome back to RPA Masters. In this video, we will discuss about how to extract pattern-based data from different websites. For example, in this Flipkart website, all the data of all the Apple iPhones is present in a specific pattern. From here, we want to extract Apple iPhone name, price, and detailed information means features of all the iPhones present in Flipkart website. Then we can use web recorder for extracting all these type of data. For example, here all the data is stored in the form of pattern. Here is the iPhone name, here is price, here again name, price, detailed information means all the data is stored in a pattern. So here we will discuss how we can extract all these data using web recorder. So we have to copy this link. For example, from where we want to extract the pattern based data, we have to copy that link and paste that link into a web recorder. Click on new and then web recorder, paste this link over here. We have to close the browser because automation anywhere web recorder automatically open this link. Click on this, press OK. Now website will be opened. Now you have to click on extract data. Now we know that there are two types of data, regular data and pattern based data. Now in this video we will discuss how pattern based data will be fetched. Now we have to click on pattern based data, then next. Now zoom out this window. Now you have to click on the name of the iPhone, and when green box will appear you have to click on that. Now we have to again move our cursor to next position where again the name of the iPhone is present to match the pattern. For example, here now we have to specify the field name. For example, we have to name this as a name of the iPhone. Name, save. Now if you want to extract multiple field, then you have to click on add button. Click on this. Now for example, you want to extract price, then you have to click on first price. Now for matching pattern, you have to again click on the capture and we have to match this pattern. After that, it automatically fetch all the records present in this website. We have to allot this as a price. You have to save this. Now for example, we want to extract third field, detailed information of the iPhone, then we have to click on this. You have to move your cursor until green box will appear. For example, this is the green box. It will extract all the detailed information. Now similarly we have to match the pattern. You have to move your cursor until green box will appear. Click on this. Now we have to name this column as a detailed info. Now click on save. Now click on next. As we know that data is placed on multiple pages, then we have to click on this as data spans across multiple pages. Then click on this and we have to capture to move to the next page. For example, you have to click on here to move to the next page. Now click on next button. Now where we want to store this data, we have to select that CSV file, click over here, finish and stop recording. Now we have to name this spot as web underscore pattern. Save this spot. Now close this window. Now we have to run this bot. Now firstly we will check that there is no data is present in the data.csv file. Now automatically it will fetch all the data from Flipkart website. Click on this and then run. Now our bot starts working. As we have clicked multiple times, so it is working for 2 or more time. Now data is extracting from the website and stored in the CSV file. As data is present in multiple pages, it takes some time. We have to wait until the bot stop is working. Now bot have completed its task. Now we will check that how much amount of data is to be extracted. For that we have to open the Excel sheet. On this PC desktop, we have to open data, because all the data is stored in the data file. This is the data extracted from Flipkart website using web recorder. As we know that we have extracted 3 fields. First one is name, second one is price, and third one is detailed information. Now we will check that how much amount of data is to be extracted, how many rows. I think it's approximate 250 or more than 250 rows are to be extracted from the website. More than 365 rows are extracted by using web recorder. So it is very easy task to extract pattern based data using web recorder.